Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Putco's Tech Rail bed rail system. With Putco we have Jeff. How you doing, Jeff?
Hey Stephen, thanks for having me.
Thanks for being today. So Jeff, in today's video, I kind of want to cover a few major things. First of all, it's going to be the product itself and all the features you packed in here. And next is going to be the installation, talk about how easy or difficult this is to install and about a time scale. So how long is this going to take us and the average audience at home to install themselves? With that said though, Jeff, give us the full rundown on the product.
Yeah, thanks so much. So what we're showing off today is our Putco Tech Rail bed rail system. I think it's as feature packed, as good looking as it is. So,
absolutely.
This is going to be a full aluminum rail. It's an extruded aluminum. It's going to have 2 channels on top that you can run T-channel bolts through, giving you a ton of flexibility as far as how you're using your truck. So if you want to run cross rails, you can do that. You know, really any accessory you can bolt down, you're going to be able to bolt down to the top.
Yep.
Exactly. So to fit that active lifestyle that so many people are using their trucks for nowadays, we've got you covered there. It also has kind of a unique profile on the side. I'm sure you can see. What that's for is integration with our blade products. So our emergency blades, our work blades, are actually going to fit exactly into that channel, giving you a super clean install. And you don't have to drill into the side of your vehicle. So we have a lot of customers who don't want to drill into the side of their work vehicles, but want some added flexibility or some in-bed illumination. And for us, you know, not using it as a work vehicle, but who want a little bit of extra light when they're working in the back of it, we got you covered there. So tons of flexibility, tons of customizable aspects to this rail. It's going to give you a ton of useful storage and capacity out of the back of your truck. The end caps themselves are made out of nylon. Why we went with that is because of the lightweight, but also because they're incredibly strong. So your tie down strength on the side of these is actually going to be 500 pounds per corner. So you're getting a ton of strength out of these rails, and they're no drill installations. So super easy install. The gaskets are vehicle specific, so you're ordering a SKU based off of your truck. So there's no extra hardware needed. You're getting everything you need in the box.
Perfect fit.
Perfect fit that we're known for. You know, so we wanted to make gaskets that make a super clean install. You can see on this one, it actually has a molded edge on it that fits the bed rail. So it's meant to fit this vehicle, and it's going to give you the best seal and the best fit and best strength we can out of it. The end caps themselves are routed for the wiring, so when you do install a blade, you're able to run the wiring down through it, and that's where you're getting that super clean install from. The rails are vehicle specific. If you they're utilizing the stake pocket for installation. So if you do have an in-bed tonneau cover or an in-bed toolbox, you're able to still utilize those products. So it's giving you a ton of flexibility and to use your truck for however you're using your truck. So that's what we were looking to do, was add a ton of functionality, but you know, really cover the bases as far as all the different uses that we're seeing for trucks these days.
Now, one of the things in general that I love about the bed rails with the T-channels on them is the fact that you can use vertical space. So if you still want to use your truck for what you want to use your truck for, you can, and you can use this upper space for whatever else as well, like a bike or a kayak, like I mentioned earlier. So I just love that it gives you more options than you had before without them. Just a really great product there. That being said though, I kind of want to get into the installation now. So as far as a time scale, how long is this going to take us to install in the average viewer at home? And also give us a difficulty rating. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is this going to be to install ourselves?
Yeah, so let's talk about the base rail system first. So that's what we're looking at here. It's a super easy install. As I said, it's vehicle specific and no drill. So it really is a pretty simple process. I'd give it a 5. It took us about an hour to do. The hardest part was honestly the front, but we have a few tricks in the trade to do that. So just make sure to follow the instructions and thread the bolt through the side and hold the gasket together, and it's that simple. The rear goes on super easy. It's a very easy install, and I'd give it around an hour of time, and I would rate it on a 5 on the scale. So it's a pretty straightforward install and really easy to do. Now, that being said, if you are interested in integrating some of our blade products into it, that does kind of take it to that advanced territory. I probably would rate that installation as a 7. There is some wiring that's needed to be done. You do have to drill into the side of the rails to make that clean install. Once it's done, it looks awesome, but there is a few more steps that we'd like to follow. So with that 7 rating, we would recommend having a professional do it, just because there is some additional wiring. You're gonna have to run some wires and some switches to make sure it works right. So it is a little more advanced of an install.
Awesome. I'm glad you said that too, because this being a 5 of 10 on the rails themselves, we do think you can do this on your own really without any problems. But if you want to include the blade, which I definitely recommend that you do, that's just a super cool piece. But if you do go with the blade, definitely check below in the description for a dealer locator. You can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to install this professionally for you. All right, so that's a wrap on Putco's Tech Rail bed rail system. Before we go though, Jeff, thank you for being here today.
Thanks again, Stephen, for having me.
It's been a pleasure.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you want more information about the product, check in the description below the video. We'll have a part number and also a dealer locator there, so you can find and purchase this product at a dealer in your area. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.